guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the UK 24-hour ration, the ORP pack, one of the new packs. The production date was 2019, so only last year. We can get a closer look at that there. As you can see, it is menu 12. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to take a look at what we've got inside. It's quite a hefty ration pack. Not too sure how heavy it is, but I'd say about 3-4 pounds. Look from the back. Straight out, we've got our TB, our accessory pack, we've got a vegetarian all-day breakfast, 300 grams. Ginger pudding and ginger sauce, 200 grams. These are both produced by Vesty Foods. We've got our feedback and prize draw sheet to get you to give it to them. Drop that over there. Next out we have got barbecue flavoured peanuts. Not bad. Then we've got our chicken Jalfrezi with chickpeas and rice in a spiced curry sauce, 100 grams. Let's hope this is better than the beef curry. We've also got a bean and pasta salad, so butter beans and kidney beans with pasta in a tomato chili sauce. That sounds really nice, that does. It's all looking really good, to be fair. What else have we got? We've got a fruit flavoured energy drink powder. We've got orange there. You can see a best before of 09-2022 there, batch 6. Biscuits brown, pretty standard in the UK ORP. Tropical flavoured drink powder with sugar and sweetness. I'm not too keen on that one myself. Grapefruit drink powder with sugar and sweetness. Now that one is nice. You mix all of these in 500ml of water. Cheddar cheese flavoured spread. Nah, not happening. We've got some jam. Strawberry. Not bad. Wonder how that tastes on biscuits brown. Cola bottles. Fantastic. The kid loves those. She's going to be chuffed. Tutti Frutti flavoured drink powder. Sesame seed bar or teeth breaker. Tabasco sauce. Nice stuff. Put you there. And last but not least, we have got an orange flavoured hot chocolate drink, 60 grams. Put that down there. In the bag. And empty. We are done. So look at that, guys. We've got quite a lot there. We've got our vegetarian all day breakfast. We've got chicken Jalfrezi with chickpeas and rice. We've got our bean and pasta salad. We have got 1, 2, 3 fruit flavoured drinks with sugars and sweeteners and a hot chocolate. We've got our biscuits brown, our jam. We've got an orange energy drink. We've got sesame seed bar, barbecue peanuts, cheddar cheese spread and ginger pudding. That's quite a lot of food all in one. And don't forget the hot sauce. Cannot forget the hot sauce. Can't wait to crack this open with breakfast. Let's see what we've got in the accessory pack. Right guys, let's crack open this accessory pack. We've got our very large, very thick, durable, resealable bag. So after we've opened up our main packet, we can keep everything stored in here, not lose any of our items. So, put that over there. And we have a Nescafe Coffee original. We have our matches. We have 2 very large alcohol-free antibacterial wipes. White sugar, 4 grams. Very small compared to some of them. Got our shovel, we can dig ourselves a trench with this. Can't get that in my mouth, I just can't. I've got 2 more sugars here. I've got a creamer, another creamer, another creamer. I've got an English breakfast tea. I've got a Thai food tea bag. Oops, sorry, not the camera. I've got another creamer. A Rombout instant coffee. We have got 6 Oasis water purification tablets, 1 litre each, so we can purify 6 litres of water if we need to. And we have got our spearmint flavour, sugar-free dental chewing gum with sweeteners. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs in there, I think. So not bad, all in all. Good little accessory kit, apart from the shovel. But yeah, need to dig a trench. Sorted. Right, let's get on to breakfast. And here it is, breakfast. Boom! Let's get this cooking. British ORP doesn't seem to come with any flameless washing heater, so we're going to heat up the breakfast. Got our little mess kit here. I'll sit on top. Job done. Right, so let's get it out. So straight away we've got our vegetarian all day breakfast with haricot beans, meat-free sausages and potatoes in a tomato sauce. Sounds great. Let's see what it's like. Doesn't look like much at the moment, but we need to heat it up. Got some fairly decent sized vegetarian sausages there. Let's crack open our matches and light the gas. I don't want to rip that striker, so let's just get a knife involved, shall we? Tricky little bugger. There we go. Oh, you want one? Off you go. Let's get the gas on. It doesn't want to light. Oh, there we go. It's a nice one. It's got a good burn on it. Doesn't want to go out. That's the type of matches that we need, isn't it? Let's hope I don't set the smoke alarm off. And let's get on with our breakfast. As I can't eat with the shovels that they provide you in the British ORPs, I'm going to use my rubber spoon. You know what, let's bring this over a bit for you. There you go. Better, isn't it? Yeah, that sauce is coming along nicely. See our haricot beans, some potatoes, a bit of tomato there. Don't want it sticking to the bottom, which he's already started doing. Mess tins aren't the best, maybe I should have put some oil in it. Oh well. Heating up lovely then. Well, that's still bubbling away. Let's see if we can get our tea and coffee made up. Tea bag. Our sugar. Our creamer. Now this creamer does have vegetable oil, coconut oil, that sort of thing in it, so how well it will keep, I don't know. So 4 or 5 years time, the ration might be good, but the creamer might not be. That's something that's left to be seen though, isn't it, I imagine. Right, let's get the coffee in. We're going to go with Nescafe. Original. It is just the coffee, no sugar, no whitener in here. Looks good. Smells very smooth. I am an Nescafe drinker anyway, so I have no qualms that that's going to taste good. My breakfast is nearly done. Let's get our creamer and our sugar into the coffee. There we go. My breakfast looks done. So we're going to turn that off, push out of the way, bring you back into focus, and get our meal on there. Okay. Coffee. Nice. Tea. Well, we'll see, won't we? I'm not a big tea drinker. Let's use this spoon to mix these up. Let that steep for a bit. Give our coffee a nice stir. I can smell the coffee from here, to be fair. It smells really good. We've got our jam, we've got our biscuit browns. Let's get these open up. Standard issue biscuits. Oh, they're quite broke actually. Let's just tip them out. There we go. Some of them have snapped off. So, there we have it guys. Breakfast. Just need to do the tutti frutti drink. We have a bottle of water, 500 ml. Tip a bit out. Or just drink it. Tutti frutti powder, white. Don't think it's going to stay that way though. Let's just cut the corn off, make it easier to pour, and we'll get it in to our bottle, nice and steady. There we go. Job done. Oh, it's looking a bit yellow. Give it a shake. Not too bad. And we'll put it next to our coffee. So, we've got a vegetarian breakfast, beans, nice and thick, a vegetable sausage, potatoes, tomatoes. Looks good. Let's have a try. Some burnt bits on the spoon. That's really nice. Can't even tell that's vegetarian sausage, to be fair. Let's have another bite. I like that. I recommend that. I've had some ORPs where the sausages and beans have been so sweet, it's been verging on the edge of unedible. But that doesn't. That's not got all the sugar that the other ones I've had has. So some more of that breakfast has disappeared. The wife and kid have been up. They like it as well. So our tutti frutti drink seems to have all dissolved. Let's have a try. That's not bad, and in the recommended amount of water as well. It's actually quite palate cleansing with all the baked beans and the sauce. I think I chose the right one for breakfast, to be fair. Let's go with some coffee. What can I say? It's Nescafe. It is what it is. At the end of the day. Yes, I know the tea bag's still in the tea. Not a big tea drinker. There you go. Let's have a look at that one. Yeah, tea's tea, isn't it, at the end of the day? Right, let's try some of this jam. We've got strawberry jam here, made by Andros. A small portion, 25 grams. get this out. It's not worked. Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to get another spoon. Here we go. Good old US MRE spoon. And we're going to let you down. Squeeze some of this jam out. It's nice and loose. Not too loose though, it's going to run everywhere. Looks good, doesn't it? I bet you want some, don't you? It's all mine. It's really nice, it's really sweet. Not too sweet. It is strawberry jam, isn't it, at the end of the day? Strawberry jam, strawberry jam. Let's try some biscuit brown. Biscuit brown, everyone knows biscuit brown. They're no fun on their own. Quite dry. Plain taste. I mean, they could at least put digestive in there or something. Let's try it with some jam. Yeah, jam, much better. Let's try the biscuits and the beans. We've got no bread, so let's see what the biscuit browns are like. You know what, guys, that is actually really good. It's got a bit of everything here. So, okay, we've got our potato, we've got our sausage, we've got our beans, and biscuit brown. Look at that. Good, ain't it? Now that guys, that was a winner. That was epic. That was actually really nice. What can I say? Biscuit brown, it added like a toast kind of element to your breakfast, because there's nothing like beans on toast, is there really? You're feeling down, you don't know what to have to eat. Beans on toast, job done. It was actually really good. Now, I would like to point out, I've never been a fan of vegetarian sausage, never. And I did go into this thinking, I'm not going to like that. But you know what? That has surprised me. Some of the ORP meals I've had before, they haven't even been a patch on some of the Lithuanian, the US, the Polish. Some of them have been absolutely amazing. But this, for breakfast, I would happily eat this over muesli. In my eyes, that is a winner. I'm going to give that breakfast a 9 out of 10, only because I don't have toast. What can you do? Right then, guys, so that's our breakfast meal sorted out. Let's get ourselves cleaned up. Our antibacterial wipe, it's like a towel. It is massive. Look at that, literally block out the whole meal. You could have a wash with this, you could have a shower with this, you could run it over your hands, your face, your neck, your private bits if you really wanted to, your feet. It's a fairly decent size. Good tensile strength. All in all, guys, that's absolutely an amazing breakfast. I'll be back with you for lunch. Okay, guys, and here we are back with lunch. Dinner, whatever you prefer to call it. Meal in the middle of the day. There's that. So, we've got our beans and pasta salad. Our cola bottles. We've got a grapefruit flavoured drink powder. We're going to crack open the energy drink as well. Orange. We've got our sesame seed bar. We've got our Tabasco sauce. Not exactly sure whether we're going to need it or not, but this is a cracking little bottle. It's all good. And we've got our Ron Boats instant coffee, sugar, creamer. Boom! It's on a tray. Alright, let's get some of this heated up and get ready with our dinner. Don't know if we're going to be needing the Tabasco sauce yet, but let's get our bean and pasta salad on. Butter beans, kidney beans with pasta in a tomato chili sauce. Sounds alright, doesn't it? It's got sweet corn, red peppers, green peppers, pasta, kidney beans, tomatoes. Doesn't look too bad. 16 grams of protein as well. That's really decent. Right. Let's get this open then. Without getting it everywhere, hopefully. Put it into the mess kit and get it heated up. Damn, there's some big beans. I ain't never seen some beans that big before. get this lit. My little Go Systems lighter. Review will be coming soon on that. There we go. It's all in a nice tomato chilli sauce. Here we can see the bits of green pepper floating around, the bits of red pepper. Could have done with being a bit more saucy. That's okay, I don't mind. Just get that all heated up. This stuff just loves to stick to the bottom of mess tins. I don't know how they managed to keep them free. The one thing these British ORPs could do with some ration heaters, I might use some of my ration heaters on my next one rather than doing this. There we go. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Okay, let's get that turned off and out of the way. Okay, let's get our drinks made up. Right then, let's make the drinks. Coffee time. Romboat's coffee smells really smooth. It doesn't seem that different to Nescafe to me. I don't get why they put the two in when they just taste the same. May as well just put 2 Nescafe or 2 Romboats, or I don't know, maybe one's cheaper than the other to buy in bulk. Here's some water we heated up earlier. There we go. I'll get that stirred up. Our shovel. Get that out of the way. Some water. Let's get off the beaten track fruit flavoured energy drink. Orange. Expires in 2022. Got 45. Instantly you get an orange tang smell. Doesn't look too orange. Let's get it all poured in. There we go. Get the lid on and give it a good shake. Leave that sit for a bit. And we'll make up our grapefruit drink. With our grapefruit drink powder. Mix in 500 ml of water. Per 47 grams serving, we've got 176 calories. So again, a lot of your calories are coming from your drinks rather than your food. I don't know whether that's a good thing or not. Getting a lot of drinks in these ORPs. White powder, nothing conspicuous, and we'll pour it in. And there we have a pink one. Grapefruit. I do like this one. This is going to be one of my favourite UK ORP drinks. Couple of bottles. Resealable bag. They are not fizzy. There we go. So we've got our grip seal up the top. You get quite a decent serving there. our sesame seed bar. You all know what these are like. Sticky, hard teeth breakers, and one of these days I am actually going to get it apart. One of these days I will. Oh, so close. So close. Try with the other side. It's like a personal mission now. Damn it. It's just like, I mean look at that. See if I can get a whole one. Well, guys, I managed to get one whole sesame seed bar out of all of that. How proud of me are you for that? One whole bar out of 3. Anyway, let's crack on. Straight off the bat, let's go in for some of this bean pasta salad. Massive beans. I've never seen beans that size in my life. Let's have a go with one of these beans on its own first, shall we? Look at that. Good. Oh wow, it's so soft, it's like you bite it into a cloud. I didn't expect that at all. That's really good. Really good. Let's try a bit of everything then. It's not bad. The pasta's way too soft for my liking. But it's still, you know, it's edible. It's nice. There's a little hint of chilli. I could have done with putting that chilli in the 12-hour Occidental beef curry. Let's try putting some of this in. See if we can spice it up. Spice it up a bit. There we go. I shan't tell the wife I've put that in when I give it a try. A little bit naughty of me, isn't it? Oh well, she loves me really. She knows what she married. There we go, that's had a good mix. So let's get a nice big bite. I'm going to fall off, are you? Yeah, you are. Look at that. Nice. That's good. If that pasta would have been a bit more al dente, because it is all quite mushy, if it had been a bit more al dente, we'd have been walking on air. Those butter beans are so good. Look at that, it's not mixed properly. But let's try some of this orange energy drink. That is mediocre. It's not the best. Grapefruit. Promised the kid I would save most of this for her. She loves this one. It's her absolute favourite. That and the cola bottles. Cheeky sod. That is just awesome. Let's have a bit of one, but why not, eh? Just wash it down. Look at that. It's a nice deep colour. It's not too strong, it's not too dark. I'm going to say it's coffee. Tastes a bit like Nescafe to me. Still really nice. Sesame seed bar. Look at it, it's already started sticking back together. Look at that. Sesame seeds, caramel, sugar, glucose. I got 1. My mission, I will get 3. This stuff just glues your jaw shut like a toffee apple does. Still nice. I'm going to have to clean my knife now. Look at that. Look at all that stickiness. How rude. Cola bottles. Boom. Who doesn't love a good cola bottle? Disappointing that they're not fizzy. You can't exactly please everyone though, can you really? Still, fantastic little meal. Addition of Tabasco works wonders. Pasta's a little too al dente, but those butter beans, I can see why they're called butter beans. They just melt. If that pasta had been a bit more harder, that would have been such an awesome meal. Very much worthy of a whole consumption. It'll pick your spirits up. You're walking around, it's miserable, it's cold, it's rainy. You get something nice and spicy like that, it melts in your mouth. Boom. Happiness in a mess tin. Right then guys, dinner done. I will be back later with tea. Keep yourselves there. I'll see you soon. Right then guys, we are left with our evening meal. So we have our chicken jalfrezi with chickpeas and rice, hot chocolate drink, orange flavour, cocoa based beverage powder, our ginger pudding and ginger sauce, our barbecue peanuts. We're left with a tropical flavoured drink powder with sugar and our cheddar cheese flavoured spread. Not going to go there. And some Tabasco sauce. Quite interestingly though guys, looking at the cheddar cheese flavoured spread, only 50% of it is actually cheese and the rest is like milk, emulsifiers, cream, salt, E-numbers, colourings, lactic acid, soybean oil and thickener. There's quite a lot of crap in there with the cheese. So those of you that like cheese, you ain't really getting cheese, are you? You're getting cheese and a load of E-numbers. Anyway, let's get this out onto the tray and get cracking, shall we? Right then guys, evening meal. As I needed to boil up the pudding, I decided to boil up the main as well. So they're both scalding hot. So I don't lose too much heat. I'm going to make up my drink first. Tropical flavoured powder, sugar and sweeteners. Mix in 500 ml of water. Q, bottle of the finest water. Just take some out the top first. The powder puffing away. White powder again. And generally tend to change colour until it's in, does it? And in it goes. Sort of our tropical mix. Let's give this a good shake. Looks a nice colour. Looks like a bit orange squash. Hope it tastes as good. Cheddar cheese, no chance. Stay there when you own. Now, I'm not going to do the hot chocolate drink powder because I've got a plan for this. I've got a new bit of kit that I want to test. This is going to be perfect. Take a look at these peanuts. Barbecue flavoured peanuts. No hiss. Disappointing. Never mind. They look very, very squashed in. Let's get them out. They smell good. I can already smell the barbecue bits on them. The bag smells awesome. Let's have a look. There we go. They're really nice now. They remind me of Sahara nuts. I used to work at Butlins for a couple of years, and behind the bar we used to sell these nuts called Sahara nuts, like peanuts that were coated. I'd like a crispy shell on them. Wow, that brings back some memories. So now we've got our chicken jalfrezi with chickpeas and rice. Chicken and chickpeas with rice in the spicy curry sauce. Tomato chicken, water, chickpeas, onion, brown rice. Green peppers, red peppers, corn flour, garlic, ginger, cumin. We've got garlic powder. Let's hope we've got some curry powder. Oh, cayenne pepper. Nice. This bag is absolutely piping hot to touch. It's burning my fingers, that is. It hasn't opened properly. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my days. Here we go. Out you come. Wow. ginger pudding, ginger sauce. Mainly ginger sauce. Then we got our brown sugar, cream, butter, cream powder, whey powder, ginger cake. I really can't see this holding up for many years, you know. And we've got all that milk, we've got cream, we've got palm oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, all the things that don't actually hold up very well. It'll be interesting to try this in 10 years time just to see, but maybe that's just me. Right, so let's get our ginger pudding out and our ginger sauce. It isn't looking too bad actually. Smashing, look at that. I haven't got some on the cheese spread, look. Never mind. Okay, so let's take you guys away. This is what we're left with. Let's try our chicken jalfrezi. Make sure we get some meat there. Some chickpeas. You can see everything in there. It looks absolutely stunning. There we go. Wow, that is hot. That is really nice. Bloody hot though. There we go. We were left with the tea as well, but as you know, I'm not a big fan of tea, so. And it's late. I could do without the caffeine, to be fair. There's probably too much sugar in this, realistically. This is really nice. This, I'm going to get another one of these when we go camping. I can try a bit of Tabasco sauce on some of it. Let's see how that goes down. I am very impressed with this. Much, much better than the Occidental menus. Much better. There we go. Oh my days. So I've talked my mouthful, but that just gives it such a lovely little kick. You know, we didn't have any salt and pepper, did we? Could do with a bit of salt in all fairness. Very surprised we didn't get any. This is amazing. I'm sorry guys, but this is actually probably the best MRE meal I've had. It's even beating the US ones. So far, I've got my Latvian ones to try. I've got some more Polish, some more Lithuanian. But so far, hands down, this is the winner. What a cracker. What a cracker. US MRE spoon. Nice. Let's try some of this ginger pudding. I've got a feeling this is going to be red hot as well. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. Holy crap on a cracker. Oh, why didn't I have my pudding first? Wow. I mean, I love Jamaican ginger cake, but this is nice. I mean, this one itself is, this one's made by Vesti Foods. Wayfair also do some in a lot of the UK camping shops. Hang on, I'm going to have to try theirs as well, see what theirs is like. Oh, the wife is going to be so jealous. This is epic. It's not too sweet. It's got a creaminess to it. It's like a really soft sponge cake, but denser. It's really nice. The ginger sauce has got a very toffee-ish element to it. What can I say? This is going to be a pleasure to finish. It's brilliant. The drink, not so much. I think the UK ORPs have still got a lot to learn on the drinks front. They're not the greatest, but some of the menus that I've actually had, more so the later menus, have been absolutely cracking. I wish they put hash brown back in and some potato rosties or something along those lines. Really could do with something nice like that. But then again, everyone would be after them if that was the case, because that would just be epic. Right then guys, it has been an absolute pleasure to do this review for you. 24-hour menu 12 UK ORP. It's been cracking. We've had 3 brilliant meals. We had a breakfast, dinner and tea. Tea being the best. I'm going to go back and I'm going to finish this all off, and only because the drinks are not the greatest am I going to give this a 9.5 out of 10. So thanks for sticking with it guys. Thanks for watching this through to the end. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you soon with another review. Stay safe.